Hello everyone, today we'll discuss you 5 different equations. So here is number 1, basic probability formula. Number 2, complement rule when it doesn't happen. Number 3, toss coin probability. And 4, rolling the dice. 5, usually exclusive events. The order. First, I will discuss to you the basic probability formula. So here is the formula of number 1. P of E is equals to favorable outcomes over total outcomes. This formula tells us the chance of single event happening. For example, if 3 red balls out of 10 in the box, 10 in a box, then the probability of picking a red one is 3 out of 10 or 3 out of 10 or 0.3. Second one is complement rule, chance of not happening. The formula is P of not E is equals to 1 minus P of E. This is called the complement rule because it's useful when it's easier to find the chance something won't happen. For instance, if there is 0.2 probability of rain, P of rain, then the chance it won't rain is 1 minus 2. Which gives us 0.8 or 80% chance of raining. Next is the probability of toss coin. P of heads is equals to 1/2 and P of tails is equals to 1/2. A coin has 2 equal sides, heads and tails. When you flip it, there's a 50% chance you'll get either one. This one is the simplest and earliest examples in probability. So here's the formula. So number 4, rolling a dice. For instance, 1 to 6. P of 4 is equals to 1 over 6. A standard die has 6 sides, number 1 to 6. Since each number has the same chance of appearing, the probability of rolling a 4 or any specific number is 1 out of 6. Mutually exclusive events, or we could say R2. P of A or B is equals to PA plus PB. This formula is for mutually exclusive events, situations where both events can happen at the same time. For example, the chance of rolling a 2 or 5 on a die. So 2 or 5 in a dice at 1/6 plus 1/6 1 to 6 is equals to 2.6 or 1/3. I've discussed to you the 5 different probability equations. Thank you for watching.